I'm right here with my friend Andy. We're looking for a spot right now. There's like a storm about to happen right now, so maybe some lightning, some cool rain. I don't know. We also brought his drone. We're gonna try to see if we can fly it before it rains. So slap, huh? Alright, so now we're gonna do some drone flying with Andrew's new drone. Ooh. So here's Andy's new drone, guys. We're gonna give it a test. We're gonna see if it works. Apparently this thing films in 4K. It does time lapses, 3D photos, panoramas. It does it all. So we're gonna see. Are you stoked, Andy? He's setting down his little mat on the ground, and right now we're gonna give it a test.
I think it goes like 90 miles an hour in the wind.
This is the Propel Air or Propel, whatever, either one. Got this shit at Ross for like 15 bucks. It's pretty cool, I say you guys check it out if you guys are into a little cool technology and such. All right, let's get it. It's going. Oh, successful flight. 1, 2, 3, in the air. Obviously that was a joke. The real drone is right here, and it's a lot nicer, and it's not even that much bigger actually. But yeah, this is the real deal right here.